I'm telling you now, this is absolutely a movie for guys who like movies. Not a film, not cinema, movies. Explosions, knuckles, leather jackets, bad decisions. Let's talk about it. First off, the vibe. This movie does not ease you in. It kicks the damn door open. Hell, the soundtrack alone lets you know what kind of time you're about to have. You got some Guns N' Roses energy, a little Billy Idol attitude, the type of music that makes you want to drive too fast in a car you absolutely shouldn't trust.